Yo, what's up? Everybody just arrived to the Kuta. I heard that the Kuta art market is eventually open. I decided to check this out and I'm gonna make a little loop across the Kuta Beach, Kuta Beach Gate, and the house, the wall construction, and of course the Kuta Square. This is the parking belongs to the Kuta art market already. So yeah, this is the Kuta art market. That's the old shops and that's the new shops. And it seems like some of them they are occupied, somebody were right, and some of them not yet. And there is this monument like the statue, and then okay, I'm gonna get inside, show you. Meanwhile on the streets, yeah, there are vendor stills here. Alright, I'm in the first floor, looks fancy, I'm gonna tell you. And there are some motorbike spaces, and there are some shops open, some sellers. Not too many tourists to compare to Ubud Art Market, but yeah, the stars are already open here. Hello, yo. Yeah, thank you. As you see, the ladies here are very, very happy. That's the stalls. You can buy the T-shirt. I'm not a gay. Currently, it's very important. You know, as which gender you are. Hello. And that's how does it look like. So it looks very organized, very clean. And there are some vendors inside. Yes, looking. Hello. Second floor. Very nice. Okay, thank you. Overall, the ladies are very business oriented. It's totally different than in Ubud Art Market because I just came there to show you around and already introduced their names, the lot number, the second floor, Kuta Art Market. We have everything already full, entire the business card. All my video is here. So you see, the market is pretty similar. This one is actually a little bit more flashy than this one in Ubud, I could say. It looks a little bit like a mall recently, so not necessarily like a traditional art market, looks like a mall, but the ladies are a little bit different vibe here, different business oriented, like, the sun is so sharp now. Right, and this is the, as they call, shelter for tsunami. First of all, tsunami never hit Bali coast. Second of all, I don't think so this will really help anybody if really tsunami gonna hit. However, looks nice as the decoration. This is like a gate, there's the temple obviously. Normally was more people here, and there are some nice statues of the, well, I don't know what is it properly called, but looks like a dragon stuff. Some local vendors, sellers, local warungs. Last view of the art market from the other perspective looks actually there, and there is the Ramayana Hotel, the little gang, little street. And I'm gonna show you what's cracking at the front of the Kuta Beach. That's some vendors, so some of them should know my name. And the sunset situation in 35 minutes, actually, the first stars here. Now it's actually very nice, organized, everything. Okay, I'm gonna have a little stroll. What's going on here? The sellers. Now they have hats and the aunties, everything. I was here filming during the pandemic. Some of them, they really remember me. I'm not sure if they remember me now because, you know, there are so many people and everybody are boys dancing, listening the local disco. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Thank you so much, sir. And then they only know as I'm YouTuber. There will be some event in the Grand Ina Hotel here. Wow. Whoa, what's cracking here? This is something special. Check this out. I don't remember this since ages like this one, a special event like this one. Wow. Surprised. And there are some people. Yo, how you doing? How you doing, brother? And somebody already recognized. Thank you. Beer o'clock. I know, Eddie. I know. You know, this is like my city, like the song from the Fast and Furious. I don't know if you watched recently. There is the song "Welcome to my city," and everybody know my name and stuff. Sam's over here. Sam is there busy. Yo, what's up? How you doing, mate? And Susie is sitting there. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Susie busy checking her stuff. And there is another boy. Let's see who else is here. Overall, like this one, they have a little playground where you can play with the kids if you came here with kids. You know, regular stuff. There's a church sanctuary. There looks like more vendors right now, and they have hats directly to the promenade, so you don't really cannot see. This is the Simpson. Supposed to be summer here. It's pretty busy looking. I'm gonna tell you, check this out. There's the church releasing or something. The checking. That's the place. Sponsored by Coca-Cola. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, some families with the kids. enjoying their time and everything. The sellers, the vendors. Seems like people are kind of busy. Some officials here patrolling, and I think the teamy boss is there making some cocktail. Yo, bro, what are you doing?
Hey!
How you doing? Nice sunnies now, hey? Hello. Oh, nice. Don't show me this one on the YouTube. I will get a problem. Hide this bottle. Just joking. Yeah, this is it. Yes, auntie, I don't forget. Remember always those. Okay, bye. Regular stuff. Always good to come here time to time, show all of those people. During the pandemic, they really suffer a lot. I'm gonna tell you, you might watch my previous videos. Now they have some tourists, so some business is going on, but previously, wow, guys, that was different time. Also, the Kuta Beach looks pretty nice, the rain season is finished. Everything looks pretty nice. Sunset's gonna be very, very soon. So this is where this house was, lifeguard house. There is the Kuta Gate, I'm gonna show you. And the beach overall, some people, I will zoom it, change the lens, the situation. Okay, sunset there, the beach looks clean. There are some stars, some vendors. Is it busy? Is it quiet? It's middle of the week, but that shouldn't matter because if you're on holidays, every day is like a Saturday. But yeah, this is it in Kuta today. This is the reconstruction of the legendary Kuta Beach gate. Yeah, I'm not sure how they're gonna change the gate itself. However, the wall looks different. Also, the motorbikes are not allowed, and they really have a gate here. This looks cool, and that's the overall promenade situation. They also have showers, the toilets, and all of this stuff. Everything looks definitely better actually right now. Also, the beach looks pretty okay. And yeah, this is overall the wall situation. I'm more interested about the wall because there was so much things about the wall. The wall is still under construction, but it's gonna look some sorta like this one. All right, so this is at the front of the Hard Rock Cafe. Situation looks like this one on the strict moderate traffic jam, and the gates are looking particularly like this one. So the gate's gonna be red from the red bricks, and yeah, on the beach gonna be everything how it is without any changes. However, the only gate gonna looks like this one. At least the small gates looking like this one. Okay, but the wall actually it's still, this is like a 1 meter fundament, and this is 75 meter tall wall, so 175 centimeters, 150, some sort of like this is the size. This is actually the level where I hold my camera, so yeah, it's like 150, 175 centimeters. So when you are driving from the perspective of the driver on the car, definitely you're not gonna see anything. Anyways, those hats and the umbrellas blocking the view of everything. So yeah, anyways, today's video is more about this part of Kuta. So that's the Hard Rock, and we still have to wait when they're gonna finish the main Kuta gate. Kuta Gate, Legian Gate, Savinian Gate, all of those big gates. Well, let's see how they're gonna end up and how it's gonna look like. Probably nice, but okay, change to the wide lens, and that's overall today's situation. Sunset is gonna be very, very shortly. Some people strolling around time to time. Not that many people making pictures of the gate, obviously, because there's not much to see. Some people walking, strolling. Overall situation in Kuta, middle of the week, sunset time is like this one. Granina Hotel, as I mentioned previously, they're gonna have some nice event by the beach area. Not sure if foreigners or locals, but I guess locals will have the event, if I can bet, but I'm not sure. So everything is possible overall. Some project drivers, taxi drivers, Bluebird, and the other one. Always take this taxi, that's the best one. And yeah, overall situation. Also the currency exchange rates today like this one. Dollars are a little bit weak now. Rupiah is strong. Interesting. There is some new shop, I think it's Ripco or something, selling the stuff. and the surfer vibes, Scooby-Doo truck with the bar. I saw them like those bars like in Thailand, but now they changed it here. And also Jamie Oliver is still here. He's keeping alright, seems like. Even some guests inside, so seems like he's doing alright. Take away 2 pizzas for 990,000 rupiah plus tax. And this is it. That's the stores, shops. Gonna back to the Kuta Square. KFC is closed, I think. Okay, the traffic congestion on Kuta Square is a little bit more complicated. This is the one-way road system, and there is the one-way road. Everybody going to Kuta Beach. The KFC is actually open. That was my bad. I thought this 11 thing is the KFC wall, but that's different thing. So it's open. I want to show you a little bit of the traffic. It's not that moderate anymore. It's just busy right now. Look at the bus driver, how he's waving. Yo, what's that? The other guy happy. Everybody happy in general, but I really like how the bus always, the other driver is using his hand to signal where he's going. This is very Indonesian thing. Actually, I never saw anywhere else. Well, only in Indonesia like that. Also the cars and the motorbikes, they prefer use the hand over the indicators. And also made in Bali. You can buy some stuff. However, I heard the quality is not that good after washing. However, I don't bought anything from this shop. Not my style, but you might like it. This is very like a tropical vibe with the flowers and all of this stuff. Looks decent. So yeah, the KFC is still open. This is the Kuta Square, obviously. If I'm already here, I'm gonna show you. I parked somewhere over there next to McDonald's. Oh no, yeah. I mean, yes, no many things still for rent. Some of them they are open. Not much has changed here actually since last time. This is 50% sale, and this one is for lease, and then the wine shop. So unfortunately, actually many shops are still closed here when it's June 2023. It's 1 year, over 1 year when the Bali borders are open, but Kuta Square, yeah, doesn't look like super optimistic. Okay, the Fever shop, Douglas Watch is still there, right? But there is the building for rent and the iBox scan. This is like a reseller of the Apple, and there are over 2 buildings for rent, and yeah, and many gabs are for rent. So normally there are so many motorbikes and cars parking, but still you can find a place for parking. Only those people driving, because this is the one of the roads leading to Kuta Beach. You're gonna get there only by this road or the previous road. There are only 2 roads to leading to the Kuta Gate and Beach Walk Mall. You cannot go in any other alternative road, especially by car. There's no chance. And then of course Ramayana is closed totally, completely. They're not gonna recover in this particular building, or at least not as I know. And there is McDonald's. Yeah, that's it. This coffee shop here is open till 12 till 17. It's 5, only for 5 hours. I don't know why actually for 5 hours only. But they had a nice coffee. I wanted to have it. So yeah, McDonald's is open, and then the many buildings are closed. Basically, if those only, the traffic here is only because of the, this is only one of 2 roads leading to the beach walk and to the Kuta Beach and to the Kuta Gate and overall to the beach walk. Beach walk is the busiest part here in this part of the Kuta. That's why overall when you are walking here, everything looks like, oh my god, it's so busy. But actually, if you close the traffic, they make a different alternative road, you will realize there is very quiet actually. Only the traffic what's leading to totally different place. Okay, so all the cars coming from this small road, coming from the bypass and Sanur and airport and everything. Also this road leading to airport, by the way, if you would like to come. Overall is Ramayana hotel at the front. And yeah, little bit of the traffic situation. Actually, if you come already very close to the sunset, the traffic situation will be pretty big and pretty advanced, like this one. However, it's still middle of the week and no holidays. Look at this lady with the little doggo. She drives like with baby. Here we go. And yeah, Ramayana, there will be some restaurants, and you can go to the Discovery Mall. I will show you next time. Pasar Seni Kuta. So this is the Kuta Art Market, and this is where I start today's video. Just literally where is this Honda car. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I'm looking forward to see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care.